Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is just going to be a little quick review on the new Midas Cosmetics Crown Brows Brow Pencil. It's their first brow product and I love this brand. It's a small indie brand. It's one of my favorites. I do have a discount code. The code is Angelique. I did get this in PR and I really just wanted to try it out for you guys today because you guys love the brow stuff. The shade they sent me is Light Coffee. It does have a spoolie on one end and a pencil on the other. And so I'm just going to start off. I'm going to go ahead and map out my brows. If you don't know how to do this, then I will link some of my other brow tutorials because I do it in like every single one. And I feel like the people that watch my channel all the time are tired of seeing me do that in every single tutorial. Now, I want you to keep in mind too that I am wearing a wig. So this probably isn't going to match my wig hair, but it matches my real hair. Okay, so it's gliding on very easily. I'm being a little bit messy here. Okay, so there's a rough sketch of the outline, and now I'm just going to draw hair-like strokes. I just want to see how this is going to perform. Now, typically a brow pencil by itself doesn't really do the trick for me. I need more because I have such sparse brow hairs. This is actually filling them in very nicely. I'm going to brush what little brow hairs I have down, and then I'm going to make some hair-like strokes going this way. And then I'm just going to take the brush and very lightly blend through it. It's blending very nicely. I really wanted to review this because you guys have asked for drugstore brow products, and even though this isn't drugstore, this is drugstore price. It's like $9, and then if you use the discount code, it's $7.20, which is really affordable. So as you can see, this is just going on very nicely, very smoothly. This one, I'm not even worried about getting brush strokes. I'm just kind of filling it in, and it's like really doing the trick. I'm going to do a few little brush strokes here so it looks a little realistic. So I'm not even bothering with going through the trouble of making hair-like strokes. I'm just literally filling this side in and blend through it a little and make my real hairs kind of stand up some. Just a minor detail that I really love about this, the side with the spoolie, the cap is much shorter than the side with the pencil, and I don't know why I like that, but every other pencil I've ever used, both caps are the same size, so it's hard, you know, like you can't figure out which one goes where. So I am going to top this off with a little bit of the Brow Gal Insta Tint just for my actual brow hairs because since they are sparse, I do need something a little bit more to like make them look a little more realistic. And then I'm just going to clean them up with a little bit of concealer. And so this is the finished look. I just have to say, for $7.20 with the discount code, this pencil is amazing. It reminds me a lot of the ABH Brow Wiz. It kind of has that same consistency and stuff, but it's, you know, more affordable than the ABH one. Overall, I'm extremely happy with this because I never just fill my brows in with a pencil and then leave them. And then, of course, I did put like the stuff for my brow hairs on it. I definitely want to recommend this pencil to you. It's so affordable. I will put a link for this pencil in the description box because these did just go live on the 9th, so they're already up and you can go get yours if you want to. And if you want to use my code is Angelique. And yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope that you enjoyed this. If you want to see more small tutorials just using brow products or whatever, just shorter videos with like super small reviews, let me know in the comments and I will see you in my next one.